video shows you how to sketch a quadratic graph, largely by completing the square. Let's have a look at this. In order to sketch this, we need to find out where it crosses the x and y axes, and also where the turning point occurs. Okay, so to find the y-intercept, the place where it crosses the y-axis, we just need to substitute x equals 0 into the equation, and when we do this we get y equals 10, so we know it goes through 0, 10. Okay, so that's the first stage. So to find the x-intercepts, we could factorise, we could use the quadratic formula or complete the square. We can see that there are no factors of 10 that add to 8, so factorising isn't an option in order to find the solutions. We also want to find the turning point of the equation, so as completing the square achieves that as well, this would be a good method to choose to get the y-intercepts. Okay, so let's do that. So open the bracket, write x and then half of the b term squared, so that starts us off. We can see that this generates plus 16, so let's take that away and then add the 10 on that we want. Okay, so we're nearly there. Simplifies things. Okay, so we've now completed the square. The x-intercepts occur when y equals 0. So if we rewrite this with y equals 0, then we can solve it. Like this. So now we know that the graph passes through this point and this point. It's very easy to make comments about the turning point from our completed square version of our equation. Obviously we could find a turning point with calculus, but this assumes that we haven't got that option, or that we want to choose this option to do it. Okay, so we can see that this equation is at a minimum when this part of it equals 0. So that equals 0 when x equals -4, and when this is 0 we can see that y equals -6. Okay, just to go over that again, this part here, this x plus 4 squared can't be any less than 0. It can't be a negative number. There's no number that we can square to get a negative number. So that's why x has to equal -4 to make that equal 0. 0 squared is 0. That's the lowest this can be. Okay, so the graph turns at -4, no, -6. So we've done all of the things necessary in order to provide a sketch of this graph. It's a nice parabola. That's the shape of the quadratic graph. Let's note the three things. We worked out that it crossed the y-axis at 0, 10. we worked out that it crossed the x-axis at these 2 points, and we worked out that it had a turning in it at -4, -6. I hope this has helped. Thank you very much for watching.